How to fix login errors in Secret Escapes application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on a control center and tap on your Wi-Fi to turn it on. If you're connected to a secure network, you shouldn't be facing any problem regarding your internet connection. And if you are connected to a secure network, you should be able to log in into the application. However, if there is still problem with the login, simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and you want to scroll down again and navigate yourself to the Secret Escapes application. Click on Show All. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall app. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be having any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below.